This video compares the original Viper with the Viper Neo. The original Viper was introduced in 2003 and the Viper Neo was introduced in 2011. From the side view you could see where we had really made the improvements to the Viper Neo is on the ball and clasp area. As you can see, it is wider than the Viper Neo. So we did this so you could get more lateral and protrusive movement. With the modification, we were able to take with a protrusive movement to take the top incisors to go behind the lower incisors. So that definitely gives you a lot more movement, and we've also strengthened the arm more, so there's a lot more stability. On the original Viper, as you could see, it is narrower here versus the bottom here. You still have fairly good movement with the original Viper. However, you're not able to bring the top incisors to go behind the lower incisors. You can see that's your limit right there. If you compare that with this, the Viper Neo, you're able to go all the way back there. You can go behind the bottom incisors. So clearly this is a much improved product. And if you even compare it to the legacy metal articulator, this articulator, of course, you can get nice lateral, and you can even get protrusive movement. However, you can't bring it forward. So even though for the most part it's the mandible that goes forward, there are still cases where the mandible can go just a little bit to the back. You can go further back, and you cannot do that. As you can see right there, you cannot achieve that kind of movement with the metal articulators, because it'll only go back, but it cannot go forward. So not just that, but metal articulators are definitely not disposable. They are heavy, and it takes a lot of time to have to break this off, clean it. So there's a lot of disadvantages with metal articulators, and for the most part we can achieve pretty much a lot with the Viper Neo. It's very sturdy. You get great movement. It's disposable, so you could ship this to the doctor fully articulated, and doctors love receiving cases that are fully articulated. And obviously this doesn't weigh hardly anything, so there's not much weight to it, so you will save on your postage. All in all, clearly the Viper Neo is a much more superior product.